Furnace Festival is our annual celebration of the people, projects and partnerships we develop throughout the year. It's a time for sharing new ideas, taking artistic risks and building creative networks. At Furnace Festival 2021, we hosted 43 artists and creatives at 17 events across 5 days. Celebrating our commitment to artistic development through our year-round Furnace programme, the festival is a chance for us to throw open the doors of Leeds Playhouse to artists from across West Yorkshire. From dancers and writers to devisers, activists and researchers, we provide a space for everyone to connect, experiment and create.